table, these two tables that I really like a lot, and these really help you to find good trades and good opportunities. Okay, again, this is not a tool that is extremely precise, because we are working with time series, and we are working with the financial time series, so this is extremely chaotic, but follow my idea. We all know that the markets, that the economies is cyclical. Okay, so just to make my point super clear, if we look on our fundamental score right here for United States, for example, okay, this is since 2080. We can see that yes, economy is cyclical. One time, United States is not doing good, then it's doing super good, and that's it. That's the idea. So what this volatility tables is telling us. Basically, what I did, I have price data since 2000. So what I did is, for the month of, let me get this tool to annotate, for the month of September, and looking just to Euro USD, for example, how much in average the Euro USD oscillate from low to high on the month of September since 2000. So this is the result. So it's an extremely volatile month. Agree? From low to high, we have 600 pips. So it's a good trading opportunity. Okay, so this is going to give us the vol that we want to make our trades. So check this. What is this bottom band and what is this top band? I will change the name, because the right name would be expected low and expected high. And how do I calculate this? Simple. I get the close for the month, the close. Sorry, my friend, not the close. I get the open for the month, okay, to calculate the bottom band. So the bottom band, I'm going to do better. Yes. So what I did, I get the open for the month, okay. So bottom band. Get the open for the month. Minus, you have the historical range divided by 2. And the top band is the open for the month plus expected range divided by 2, in a way that the bottom band, the top band minus bottom band is equal to the historical Okay, so what I'm expecting right now for giving the open for the month of September and giving for what Euro USD did on the past years, we are expecting a bottom band, expected low of 1.15. So if we go here to our charts, let me open another chart, it's going to be better. So if we go here to our charts, and what we have, so this is our expected low, this level right here, our expected low, So we're expecting USD to come here, and coincidentally, we have a supply zone right here that is now working as a demand. And for expected high, we have 1.21. So let's 1.21. Okay, so this is the range that giving the past movement, the past behavior of your USD that we should expect it for this month. Okay, so everything above this level, okay, and even right now that we know that that Euro USD is extremely stretched on the quote data positions, is a short opportunity. Okay, and we should use 1.15 as a target. And if you know that we right now we have a running position that we took yesterday. I already moved it today the stop loss to the break even, and uh, my take profit is exactly at 1.15. Okay, so this is how we use this. This is the idea behind this. Okay, so we go to the GBP USD. So we know that GBP USD has a huge historical range for this month. So if you are a day trader, if you have some kind of setup that trade volatility, so this is going to be a good month for you. Okay, because you have a lot of pips to get from low to high. And this field right here, historical percent, is telling us the following: from the open of the month to the close of the month, how much in percentage did the GBP/USD did on the September since 2000. So in average, it's a positive month for GBP/USD, and in average the price go up from 0.33%. Okay, and the expected close is the open of the month plus this percentage. Okay, and if you want to know what is already above the band or below the band, you just come here and do this. Okay, so you will know that if you like to trade return to the average and trade against the trend, you know you have some kinds of opportunities right here, just at one click of the mouse. If you want to know, for example, other months, how the price behaviors for other months, you just have to come here and click here. Okay, and if you don't want to see crypto, just want to see the currencies, just select the currencies via here. If you just want to see assets related to agriculture, is just to select here. On this right table, the idea is similar, but instead of monthly volatility, we have daily volatility. But what does this mean exactly? So right here we have the behavior for the month of September. On this table, we have the behavior for every Wednesday of the month of September since 2000. Okay, so if we filter for Euro USD, we know that every Wednesday on month of September since 2000, from low to high, Euro USD trades range 116 pips. Okay, so this is, again, my friends, the idea here is always to give you intel, to give you intelligence to do your trading. Okay, and one curious thing about this, sometimes you can find some divergence. So let's say that how do you know that there is divergence? Yes, that's simple. When you have the expected and the alert on same colors. Okay, so we know that Nasdaq usually go down on Wednesday on September, but today it's above the expected high. It's above the expected high. So maybe if you have, if you are brave enough to short Nasdaq, is a trading opportunity. And the same thing is true for USD PLN, USD. This is Turkey. Okay, you got the idea for this? Okay, friends. So that's it. I want to thank you all for watching until this, and see you. Bye bye.